move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hialeah Gardens local and long-distance movers near me. We can make long-distance moves due to our fantastic working relationship with the migration authorities. In addition to this benefit, we have insurance coverage to safeguard our clients both before and after the relocation. Our clients' safety and the protection of their possessions are our top priorities. You may relax knowing that your property is in good hands. Our movers are well-trained and disciplined. They also make sure that the consumer is comfortable at all times during a local move. All of our clients have well received our services. You only need to ask for reviews from them if you require proof. We can guarantee that these reviews will be positive. Our local prices are reasonable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. You will have a wonderful experience with our devoted and responsible movers who will do a fantastic job throughout our business relationship. Continue reading to learn about some of our other services if you require anything different than the listed services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hialeah Gardens moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.